wife left, the dog died.
Hello and welcome to today's episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hey, today we're going to take another look at the 2023 Portland Swap Meet and talk about some of our favorite cars and trucks that were there. Like this lowered 2004 GMC Sierra pickup. And here we have a 1972 Chevrolet K10 short bed 4-wheel drive with 350 engine, and the price was $40,000. And I didn't see a price on this 1968 Chevrolet C10 short bed 2-wheel drive. This 1967 Chevrolet C20 2-wheel drive had all the original patina and seemed to be in really nice shape, although it did need brakes. He wanted $4,850 for the truck, but he was open to offers. And I was very tempted to buy this truck. I really liked it. But at this point, I really don't need any more projects. This little Suburban here was all lowered down, and I believe the price was $10,000, but it was sold. Yeah, it was in very nice shape. I didn't see a price on this half-ton 4x4 short bed, but it looked pretty good. I really liked this 1966 Chevrolet C10 step side. Had a 283 engine and an automatic transmission. He wanted $18,000, which I didn't think was out of line. But it looked to me like it had sold at the end of the day. The 66 Suburban was on a trailer, and I really didn't get a chance to look at it. The Mustang Mach 1 here was the original Survivor car in very, very nice shape with a 351 Cleveland engine and an automatic transmission. The condition of this car is unbelievable. It is still available, so if you're interested in this car, contact me. And I took my 1976 Chevrolet C10 short bed up there and put a price on it for it to sell. I don't have enough storage for the truck, so it was time for it to go. I did sell the truck. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup with an 8-foot box was in really nice shape and had some fresh paint on it. The interior looked to be mostly original, but in very good condition. The owner was asking $24,000 for the truck. And he did have a lot of lookers, but I'm not sure if it's sold. And here we have another lowered Suburban, looks like about a 4.6 drop kit, 1980, and it did sell for $10,000. And this 1966 Rambler American had a nice big tire tucked underneath the back of it and looked really good. It was equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, probably the original, with a 4-barrel carburetor, and was warmed over pretty good. Had a manual transmission in it. I don't remember if it's a 4-speed or a 5-speed, but it was a very, very nice car. The gentleman was asking $30,000 for the car. He had a lot of lookers throughout the weekend, but I'm not sure that it sold. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 was very nice. And the owner was asking $24,500 for it. I'm not sure it sold. This set of bucket buddy seats with consoles was asking $2,500 for it. This GMC 3/4-ton 4x4 was still available on Saturday. It had minimal rust. And this Cheyenne 10 4x4 with a 6-inch lift was pretty awesome. This GMC 4x4 with the 6-inch lift here was $22,000 and was on hold. This dually crew cab 2-wheel drive that was lowered down was $13,995, and I thought that was a pretty decent buy. And the owner of this 1977 Chevrolet Cheyenne 10 was asking $6,000, and then when I went back later in the day, it looked like it had been sold. This 69 Chevelle SS396 here was $27,500. I used to own this car. I really liked this Chevrolet Caprice Estate Wagon. I believe the price was around $4,000 for it. This little orange 71 C10 short bed on Riley wheels looked pretty good. And this K30 with the service body jacked up with, probably 38-inch tires looked pretty cool. This 1964 GMC was $8,500. And this GMC K30 crew cab with a Cummins engine in it did not appear to be for sale, along with this Chevrolet Suburban with a Cummins engine. It was not offered for sale. This little 1969 short bed 4x4 step side didn't have a price on it. And then this little 69 2-wheel drive had an LS motor in it. Very nice looking truck here. And this little Blazer was a factory 2-wheel drive for $15,000. Didn't think that was too bad. I didn't catch the price on this little short bed 66. And here is my 1976 Custom Luck C10 short bed with 50,000 actual miles that I sold to a gentleman in Vancouver, Washington, I believe. It looks like I got about 71, 72 half-ton four-wheel drive on a 6-inch lift, I'd say, for $17,500. Looks like a pretty straight original truck. I don't really see any rust to speak of. Got a nice stance to it. Not a bad looking truck. I see a tailgate for it, but it may have one somewhere there. A little rust in that cap corner there. We'll take a peek inside. Hopefully they don't mind. I guess it's locked. So we'll be doing that. Nice little short bed, two-wheel drive here. Not sure what year it is, 76 or so. Another little half-ton short bed, big back window. 55, I would guess, but not for sale, or at least there's no price in them. A nice little Z71 half-ton four-wheel drive. Looks like it's got a little bit of lift in it, and it is sold. These trucks have become very popular and are bringing pretty good money now. Didn't see a price. And a friend of mine picked up this 1961 Impala Post. Only 2,000 of them approximately that were ever made. And this car was in exceptional condition. The gentleman that sold to him had purchased the front and rear seat covers for it and had the seats completely redone and had lots of other parts for the car to make it the interior very, very nice. I don't think there was a rust hole in the car anywhere. And as you can see here in the trunk, there's lots of spare parts and new parts for the car. We looked through some of the boxes and some neat rare pieces there. But overall, the car is very, very nice. And here's Polaris with a handshake from the owner that sold it to him. There's a Coos Bay Motors plate. This 1955 Plymouth Plaza wagon was very cool with the roof rack on the top of it and had a very unusual Volvo engine in it with a 5-speed manual transmission. Very cool car in its original patina. This little 71, 72 short step side for $8,950. Now this 56 Ford F100 here was really a gem. I don't believe there was any rust in this truck anywhere. The patina on it was unbelievable. The price was $11,000. This 1965 El Camino was super nice with its American racing wheels, a tonneau cover on it, tinted windows, and a beautiful maroon paint. Now I didn't see a price on the El Camino and didn't see the owner either there, but absolutely a beautiful El Camino. All right, 1961 Chevrolet Impala. Looks like she was a lowrider project here, and they're asking $35,000 for it. 1970 Camaro here, 350 engine in it. They were asking $12,500. They've come down to $10,000. No rust in the floors. And automatic, $10,000. Two-door posts, dog dish hubcap, full 67 no, 32,000. Small block Chevrolet with a power glide. Nice looking car, sure sound good. Last tagged in 18. Power brakes. Black steering wheel, pretty cool. I was very surprised on how many very nice Swin bicycles were at the swap meet. I was riding a Swin myself for the weekend with a Springer front end. Had a great time riding the bike around. So I took quite a few pictures of the old Swin bikes and hope you enjoy the bikes there. This bike was similar to the one that I was riding, but this one is much nicer than mine. This 348 with a tri-power would be sure cool in that 61 Impala. It is. Broke strap. That's pretty damn cool. Sweet truck. Well, I brought a Chevy to the swap meet. Now I'm bringing home a Ford. Thanks for watching, and if you would please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage. $97,000 extra miles on a little Datsun truck there, automatic. Pretty clean little truck.
Wife left, the dog died. Dave, Dave.